What's that fathead you got in there? You know who it is?
I got two.
Do you? Wow. This your pile?
Yeah.
Oh, big buyers.
Goodbye.
Big buyers.
Yeah.
Blender. Oh. No, I know that. Yeah, I haven't seen that.
You say 15, yeah? This is what you...
You have 5? Yeah. Yeah, no, I haven't seen a blender.
No.
Sometimes I know
Yeah.
yeah, I come over here.
Yeah. Give me that too.
They got all the good stuff.
Oh, porque toda una señora también.
Is this your stuff?
How much are these?
$1.
How much on the Subaru rims?
Make me an offer, bro.
Look at this little lamp.
Make me an offer, and then
Can't get it to light
if you have
up.
problems with them, let me know. I'll either take them back or we can figure something out.
I don't know. I was thinking like 40.
There's no way to put one in it. You pick it
I'll
up.
tell you what, other 10 for 50. I can do
50?
that. They're new.
I
Oh, how about 50 cents?
Okay.
50.
I'm plugging.
So I got these things that she's digging through as well. How much was it on these three things? It's poker set, this
pump.
shrinky
sorry.
dink. Oh, it's okay.
Thank you.
And the pump.
How about 10 for those two and
So 10 and
60? Yeah.
so 60. Okay, I'll do that. Yeah.
Like I said, I need 5.
You don't happen to have change for 100,
Probably.
like 220s. Thanks, man.
Thank you.
I'll keep shopping. I'll just
want
leave
some
them.
milk?
Well, I'll leave them here and I'll just keep shopping.
About 6 cents.
Stuff in the garage too for sale?
No.
Are you, okay, still digging through that?
What
Gotcha.
do you interested in?
I don't know. I just didn't know if it was like a walk-in kind of a
Oh.
situation.
I tried that one time.
Yeah, it's too hard to keep track of everything.
Knocked the roof down, everything's swinging and shit.
Really?
No, you gotta get out.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll stay out here. No problem. All right, I'm gonna keep hunting. Oh, that's cool.
Walking away.
Oh,
That means pretty neat. Big, yeah. Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, why not? You might go for it. All right.
I mean,
Oh, I don't know. Not sure. I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah.
what's that fathead you got in there? You know who it is?
I got 2.
Do you? Oh, that's sick. How much are you looking for those?
You can have them both for 10 bucks.
Yeah, I'll do it.
You can have the whole thing for 5 bucks. Down
Oh, $10 bill. Alright, here's the 10 for these two.
Thank you. Yeah, right here.
Just that Death Angel is part of that. What am I willing to pay for this? 20? How much for the bin of games?
How about that?
Oh, about 10 bucks for you. How's that?
I'll do it.
Balloon the pot.
Oh, awesome. Can you give me a 10 back?
Somebody was going to do that.
Do what? Yeah, I mean, I've never heard of any of them, so
I know, neither have I.
kind of cool.
Don't you have a 10? I'm like, yeah, dude. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, appreciate it. I'm still like procrastinating on getting the rims into my truck.
I'll help. Stay away from me.
Will you take 5 for these?
Yeah. Now you take 5 of them? Yeah.
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay.
Yeah, you got 5.
Yeah, I go. There's more sales, but you keep bringing out stuff, so.
I can bring it out. You ain't seen nothing most yet.
You gotta stop buying units. Do you do it online or you go there in person and buy
No,
them?
I do. We used to do it in person, but I just do it online now.
Yeah.
Yeah. it's so
I've
much
seen those
easier.
sites, like the storage. I've never actually done
I've
it.
been
But
doing it for 30 years. You won't get a little business.
yeah,
Done.
yeah,
And what we do is she take all the good stuff.
yeah,
eBay.
yeah,
There's a little research. She knows by now.
what's worth. Yeah,
And she just, you know.
very cool. All right. I think I'm done. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good meeting you. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I wanted to go over real quick what I found and talk about what some of it's worth. That was a really cool yard sale. The guy there was super nice. I think he buys out storage units, so let's talk about it. All right, when I first got this yard sale, it had been picked pretty clean. I was like 10 minutes late, and when I walked up, there was someone on the left-hand side, a huge pile. I don't think I got a good shot of them, but they had this huge pile of, you know, knives and hunting gear and all this other really cool stuff that looked like it was worth a lot of money. But I will go through what I got. I found this Medela pump. This was, you know, I opened it up. It's in brand new condition. Like no one's ever used it. It's still sealed, like the suction cups and that. So that's what, if you're going to buy one of these, you want to make sure it's brand new. So yeah, if you're going to get one, make sure that the, you know, it's in pretty new condition. This one has a beat up box, but I opened it up. Everything looks mint, never touched. I got these because it'd be easy to ship. I looked at them on eBay. They're selling for $12 free shipping. So every time I sell one, I should net like $6. So 6 times 5, so $30 profit most likely. This is a little sealed game. I think it sells for 15-20 bucks. This is a Shrinky Dink machine. I don't know if it's all there. I need to do some research and figure out what it is. I might just let the kids keep it. I'm not sure if it's worth much. I don't know if it's old or not. It doesn't look old, so. Then I dug through these other games, and it's so funny because I was watching my footage, and I literally lost the lid to this myself. I took it off, set it aside, looked at all the other games, and then forgot to put it back on. It was very annoying. It lowered the value, and this is one of the most valuable games. I already got an offer and sold it for $19.99. So I probably could have sold it for $10 more if I had the lid. But yeah, I listed them all as well last night. I think after listing them all, if they all sell, they're pretty obscure and rare, like not rare, but just weird games. And they're obscure games. This one's from the 90s. They're all complete. Like I said, they're all worth 15 to 30. I think this one was worth like 40. So I did the math. I think if I sell them all, it's over $200. I paid 10. So this was like one of the best buys there. This one, I bundled in with the rims, which I don't know why I bought rims, but for some reason I did buy those Subaru rims over there. I'm having a lot of trouble finding them anywhere on the internet, so I don't know how I'm going to sell them. They were 50. This was another 10, I think, with this and the Shrinky Dinks. So this should sell for 70 or 80, which will pay for all those things. So even if the rims never sell, they were free. Really cool find was I, snuck a peek in his garage and I saw the Fathead logo. These are cool, especially these really big ones, because they usually go for about $100. This one I found a comp at 99, I think, on eBay. This one I found no comps, but I did find it on Walmart for 100. I listed them both at $100, 90 to $100, I can't remember. And I'm hoping they'll sell. So if they do, that's 200. Oh, and I did list the Subaru rims finally. I listed them at $70 plus shipping. So if I sold all 4 of the rims, it'd be worth like $250, after everything. So maybe $250 in the rims. I'm questioning if they'll sell. Maybe $200 here or close to it. 70 here, 30 here, so like 100 here. Probably keep that, and then 200 here. So I don't know, several $100s. That was a good sale. It was fun. I got to go to that, that guy's house again. I think he has yard sales a lot because he does a bunch of storage units. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please hit subscribe if you can. Go ahead and leave me a like, and if possible, comment too. Just tell me what you think. Bye.